Packing is one of the most important parts of any move. Without proper protection, fragile items, furniture, and valuables can easily be damaged during transport. Professional packing services in Brighton help ensure your move is safe, organized, and stress-free from the very beginning. Professional packers use high-quality materials and proven techniques to secure every item. From delicate glassware to large furniture, everything is carefully wrapped, boxed, and labeled for safe transport and easy unpacking. Packing services in Brighton include full home packing, partial packing, and fragile-only packing options. Movers also provide furniture wrapping, protective padding, organized labeling, and unpacking services to make your relocation simple and efficient. Brighton moves often involve busy streets, apartment buildings, and coordinated move-in schedules. Local experience helps movers navigate areas like Commonwealth Avenue, Washington Street, and surrounding Boston neighborhoods efficiently. Choosing licensed and insured packers ensures your belongings are handled with care and your move stays organized. Better Life Moving provides flexible scheduling, transparent pricing, and experienced crews, helping make your move smoother and easier.